Welcome back to our Gator Metal Roofing channel. I am your host, Nicole, where we talk all things metal roofing, from installation to colors to all the things right here on our YouTube channel. Today we are here in Statesville, North Carolina, and I am here with the homeowner, Miss Heidi. Heidi, thanks for joining us today.
Hello. Thank you.
Of course. Got to talk about the elephant in the room, the cute elephant in the room. Halloween's right up in the corner. I love the Halloween decorations that you guys did. Any fun Halloween traditions you guys have planned?
Other than handing out beer to the parents, not really.
That sounds like the best Halloween tradition. I am here for it. What made you start thinking about upgrading to a metal roof to begin with?
Well, we've always wanted a metal roof anyways, but it was just kind of time to replace the one that we had.
What was the last condition of your shingles like, or your last roof? What was that condition like?
Spilling over into the gutters. Yeah, pretty messy.
We don't like that. What was that smoking gun? We pull the trigger. Okay, this is the time we need.
Company.
Okay, what was your experience with working with your insurance? It's okay, because that is an issue that a lot of homeowners face.
We had to sign up for new insurance because the old company closed out. So
sorry to hear that.
They were like, "Hey, you got to do something about this, or you just can't be here." Okay. And I went hunting, and in hunting, I found Gator Metal Roofs. You guys had an awesome social media, and I like what they have to offer with the, the guarantee and all that stuff.
Yeah. When did you, from beginning to end, how long did the process having someone come out here and inspect?
The longer process was making sure my schedule fit in with when they could come and inspect, because I wanted to be here for it.
Totally fair.
Outside of that, it was within weeks.
We love that.
Yeah.
Was there any specific experience besides the insurance that you're like, okay, this is time, we need to upgrade, whether it's saving up or the change with the insurance? Was there anything in particular, like whether the change of the season?
We knew it was coming with the roof when we bought the house anyway, so it was, everything just kind of lined up. But y'all came in the right time, so
I love that.
Offered me a good deal. And I liked what I saw, liked what I heard. I like the color options.
Yes. What made you decide to go with this nice gray moment?
It wasn't too flashy, and it went with the house.
What was your experience working with our team, or the install team? Did you have any issues with them, or how did that whole process go?
They came one morning and it was done by evening. There was 3 of them. They were quiet, and the dogs would disagree.
That's fair.
They were quiet.
They were in and out, and they did what they needed to do.
Did what they needed to do. Didn't have to clean up anything, so.
And how long have you had your roof so far?
We're coming up on a month, I think.
Okay.
For around a month.
Have you seen a difference between having the shingles before, now having the metal? Obviously, you've had it for a month.
It's definitely quieter in the house. Okay. We don't have squirrel colonies tromping across the roof anymore. Have
you noticed a change in your energy bills, or is it cooler or hotter inside, or it might be too early to tell?
I think it's a little early to tell, but it's been pretty stable. We've had some pretty good fluctuations in weather. Yeah. And I haven't seen that fluctuation in the house. Okay. So I'm gonna take that as a good sign.
Yep.
Still a little early though.
For sure. And have you had to deal with any pesky thunderstorms making a ruckus at night?
No. We had one rainstorm and it was perfect. I could tell it was a metal roof just because I was raised under one, but it wasn't the metal roof. It was nice.
That's a common misconception we get on, Facebook comments a lot. Everyone assumes it's gonna be super loud, and we're like, that's really not the case.
I made my husband turn off his phone and turn off all the noise. I was like, nope, I'm going to sleep to this. It was perfect.
You don't need an ASMR machine. Nope. You just have the rain.
Perfect volume, everything.
You don't need to put a YouTube channel on. You just have nature's music.
Nature's music.
I love that.
Exactly.
And so you mentioned you grew up with a metal roof.
Yeah.
So you've kind of been familiar with metal roofing
My dad has one of the old traditional standing seam roofs. Early 1800s house, farmhouse.
Oh, beautiful.
In the middle of nowhere, yeah.
Yeah, I love that. So you were kind of familiar with metal roofing before you moved down here. So you kind of knew, like, this is something I wanted to upgrade eventually.
Yeah. It was kind of funny. He was a little confused that I was getting a metal roof in the south. They all don't get snow. Like, no. But
there's other good benefits that come with them.
There are other benefits, Dad.
Do you have any advice for any homeowners who might watch this and maybe they've kind of contemplated upgrading to a metal roof, but they haven't pulled the trigger yet? What would you say to anyone who maybe they're kind of on the fence with upgrading to a metal roof?
Don't be scared of the metal.
Don't be scared of metal. I think that's the best way to
go for Gator.
Y'all heard it here. Don't be scared of metal, go with Gator. I think that is the best way to end this video. So thank you so much, Heidi. It was a pleasure meeting you. I feel like like we're sisters from another mister right now.
It's possible.
I'm feeling
They
some
do
pep.
exist.
Yeah, the vibe right here. I don't know if y'all can feel it, but we can feel it. We're vibing. But thank you guys so much for joining us. Heidi, thanks for having us out here. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down below if you have any questions, and we will see you here next time. Bye.